It honestly was faster than I expected it to be.
1, 2, 3!
Alright, what's up everybody? Welcome back to the channel. So today we're racing the Mustang, aka Engine Tick, versus, it's 2017, right?
Yeah.
2017 Camaro ZL1. Joe, tell them about the ZL1.
It's completely stock. It's a 6-speed, and
Ooh, man trans.
Yeah, all it's got is a Weapon X intake.
So it's pretty much stock, completely stock. You just got new tires, right?
Yeah.
They hook okay?
Like, if it's warm, it's kind of cold today, so.
Yeah. So there's some Goodyears. They hook all right. Obviously, we can't do a dig. Neither of us can do a dig, and he's got a lot more power than I do. You want to open the hood real quick?
Yeah,
show them what you're working with. I love this color. Gosh, these ZL1s are so sick. Look at that front end. That shit's mean from the front. Oof. So it just got an intake bar, and that's completely stock. LT4 supercharged. Any plans for it?
Not at the moment. I like to do a pulley down the road, but the warranty's nice, so.
It is nice to have a warranty. Look at that thing from the front, though. God, it looks mean. Oof. You show us the inside?
Yeah.
You gotta show them the lights. This is my favorite part, is the lights.
I don't know how we'll be able to see them in the day, but started.
Oh yeah, we'll get a little cold start on the ZL1. Well, a warm start. Ah, that sounds good. Sounds good.
Yeah, you can barely see them in the day.
Oh, yeah.
I'll have to show them again at night.
You can kind of see them. So yeah, you can change all the colors on it. But it's got some nice Recaros in it. The friggin' interior's sick. Alcantara steering wheel. And that man trans showing Rigo how to shift since day one. Alright guys, so we're gonna do maybe 2 40 rolls, maybe a 40 and a 60 in case Joe spins at 40 because it's kind of cold out today, just to make it fair. But I am an auto, so I have a little bit of advantage, but Joe's got a lot of advantage with the horsepower. So mine just has an E85 tune, it's never been dynoed, but they make like maybe 450 on the dyno with just an E85 tune, but it's completely stock. Joe's makes 650 to the crank, right?
Yeah.
So, I don't know, maybe high fives to the wheels probably, depending on the dyno. So, we're gonna go run these real quick, just kind of give you guys a good comparison of the two vehicles. And Joe's cost twice as much as mine.
Ready? 1, 2, 3!
Thoughts?
It honestly was faster than I expected.
Me too. I was like, damn, it's not that bad. But man,
No.
once you shift, you get going. So I did have the advantage with the auto, but 35 for me is way too slow.
Is it?
Like I really need to be like, because I'm in second, I need to be like 45, 50.
See,
but then that kills you. That's the problem when you roll race people, is like your gear ratio is different than mine.
Yeah, 35 I spun a little bit. And
Yeah,
40,
but you can be in first, huh?
Yeah.
That's why I knew it. I was like, he can be in first at 35. I can't.
Yeah, and then 40 I had to go to second or just be too high. So.
Yeah, it's a good freaking car though. It runs for sure. I wish I'd have raced you when my Hellcat was stock.
Yeah, we should.
You gotta race the demon.
Get walk, but it,
just to see how close it is, you know.
Kevin did say he wanted to race it had a bunch of mods and everything.
Yeah, exactly. Like it's cool to see like stock versus stock. Like yeah, mine has the 85 tune, but it's also the most underpowered out of everyone. So sweet. Thanks, Joe. Appreciate it, dog.
Yeah.
So make sure you go follow Joe. What's the Instagram?
Big Joe Graham. That's it.
What about the YouTube, man? You gotta bring it back.
Oh god.
Joe Grom.
Yeah, I gotta bring that back.
So Joe was big into the Groms.
Yeah.
And he's also got detailing business,
Yep.
precision detailing. What's the phone number in case you want to get detail?
806-626-3546.
Hit him up for them clean details. Huge thanks to Joe though. Car runs really good, and you can shift pretty good, dude.
Yeah, I can shift. It makes it easy though.
It's got like almost got like a short shifter compared to the Hellcat we talked
Yeah,
about.
and there's like 0 plays. So.
Yeah, it's a nice shifter, but send Rigo your tips and tricks. So guys, that's gonna conclude today's video. Hopefully you guys enjoyed that. Make sure you follow Joe. He's got a badass Camaro ZL1, and he gave the Tangstang the Gaptism. We'll see you guys on the next one. Get out of my froyo, man.
Just wanted to try yours.
Ooh, is there cereal in there?
I got cereal, I got graham cracker crumbs, chocolate syrup, got cookie dough, cake batter, and toasted marshmallow.
Holla. I got a bunch of shit. This is trying to, I don't know. I was sad because I lost, so I'm eating my feelings.
That's what we do when we lose.
The Mustang, you know, it's 1-1 today. So you guys will have seen this after you see the Trackhawk video. 1-1, not too bad. So we're gonna eat our sorrows.
And then go to Cane's.
Because we won $60! Peace! Alright guys, so hope you are enjoying the videos on the Tangstang. Kevin's yelling in the background because he got gapped.
Ready? 1, 2, 3!
was 1-1 that day. But Joe's Camaro runs really well. But I wanted to share with you guys a little 1-minute video that I did for Elite window tinting, so you guys can kind of just see what I do on the side for some filming. Usually when I film the vlogs, I don't put a crazy amount of time into them. I just try and add a little edits here and there. But I want to show you guys an actual commercial that I made for Elite window tinting that's coming out. So please critique it. Let me know what you guys think below, and we'll see you guys on the next one.